Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix standby mode not working issue of iOS 17. So guys, I am addressing a common issue you might be facing with your iPhone after updating to iOS 17, standby mode not working. Don't worry, I have got you covered. I will guide you through some simple steps to get standby mode back on track so you can enjoy those rich full screen displays while charging your iPhone. So guys, first of all you have to do is check for compatibility. Standby mode is only available on certain iOS 17 version on iPhone, which is only available on iPhone X or later. So make sure you have these iPhones model. After this, then you have to do is verify charging and orientation. Standby mode only activates when your iPhone is plugged into a charger and placed in landscape orientation. Ensure it's charging properly and positions correctly. And also make sure that the portrait orientation option is disabled. After this, then you have to do is enable the standby mode. Check if standby mode is actually enabled in your settings. You have to go to your settings, scroll down and tap on standby and make sure that standby is enabled. After this, then you have to do is simply disable the low power mode. Low power mode can interfere with standby mode. Disable it by going to your settings, go to battery, and you can see our option low power mode. If you have enabled this, then low power mode will not work. Simply disable it. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to your settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. If none of the steps work, try resetting all settings. This will revert settings to their defaults without erasing the data. So you have to open your general, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.